Tamanna Bhatia questioned by ED in Mahadev betting app case. Bollywood actress Tamanna Bhatia was interrogated by the Enforcement Directorate (ED) in Guwahati on Thursday regarding her involvement in the Mahadev betting app case. This app is suspected of facilitating illegal streaming of IPL matches. Bhatia, who attended the questioning with her mother, has been under investigation for her association with the app. This is the second time the actress has been summoned with a prior questioning in May by the Maharashtra Cyber Cell for promoting IPL matches on the Fair Play app, a Mahadev subsidiary. The ED's investigation into her involvement is ongoing and further details are awaited. Zishan Siddiqui demands justice for father Baba Siddiqui's death. Zishan Siddiqui, the son of murdered NCP leader Baba Siddiqui, expressed his grief and demanded justice on Thursday. Baba Siddiqui was killed while defending poor innocent people, according to Zishan, who is an MLA from Vandre East, Mumbai. In a heartfelt tweet, Zishan emphasized that his father's death must not be politicized and should not be in vain. He urged for justice, stating that his family is shattered by the loss. As political pressure mounts, an official investigation into Baba Siddiqui's murder is expected, with many demanding a transparent and fair probe. BCCI announces India Women's Squad for New Zealand ODI Series. On Thursday, the BCCI unveiled India's Women's Squad for the upcoming ODI Series against New Zealand. Harmanpreet Kaur will lead the team, which includes 4 uncapped players. Notably, Pooja Vastrakar has been rested and Asha Sobhana is missing due to injury. Meanwhile, Richa Ghosh couldn't participate as she is attending her 12th standard board exams. The team is looking to build on their recent strong performances and prepare for upcoming international tournaments, with an emphasis on developing fresh talent to complement the experienced core of players. Government takes action on recent hoax bomb threats to flights. Union Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu Kinjarapu confirmed Thursday that action is being taken regarding the recent series of hoax bomb threats targeting multiple airlines. According to the minister, most threats have originated from pranksters, including minors, though there is no evidence of a larger conspiracy. Security measures are being reinforced in coordination with airlines and law enforcement agencies. Over the past 4 days, 7 domestic flights from Indigo, SpiceJet and Akasa received bomb threats, with 2 international flights, 1 each from Vistara and Indigo, also targeted on Thursday. Air India flight receives bomb threat before landing in London. An Air India flight from Mumbai to London declared an emergency on October 17 after receiving a bomb threat just an hour before landing. 5 Air India flights, along with 2 Vistara and 2 Indigo flights, were similarly targeted this week. In a separate incident, a Vistara flight from Frankfurt to Mumbai with 147 passengers on board also received a bomb threat, prompting immediate security checks upon landing. Meanwhile, an Indigo flight from Istanbul to Mumbai was placed in an isolation bay for thorough inspection by security agencies. Investigations are ongoing.